Hello, this is an iProg programmer, and we've got our main interface here. Got USB and 12 volt, and this is a basic programming box with bits and bobs in it, components and your circuit board. Right, let's see what it comes with. Comes with your standard EEPROM board programming, which you have to solder your wires on for such things as immobilizer bypass, etc. We also have, if you want to, I don't know if you want to or not, but you got your port. Obviously it goes on the back of the box, and obviously that's your USB that goes to your laptop, unless you want to carry your whole computer out to your car. OBD port and your cable, so that comes with it. Obviously your USB port and your plug is mentioned there. We'll have a look at the software shortly. Right, comes with some nice boards, and obviously the software on a DVD. Right, I'm not quite sure what all these boards do. In the first packet we have a PTN to a PNH, so that obviously plugs into the unit. That may be just for testing when you're actually in the program itself. So I've got one of those, and we also have in this packet, sorry about the noise. Okay, this one we have the CAN bus, so that plugs in. Got some jumpers that you can adjust. PTN, PNH again, so it's not too bad. These probably I won't use, maybe in my lifetime. We have to program remotes and remote chips. This one's a bit worn, just sliding around. I should actually put a coating on that of some description. Yeah, so you just put your remote or your chip on the coiled section here. Obviously plug that into there, and then plug that into your computer. And yes, it does a few other bits and bobs. So we've got that. And in this bag here we have probably some other things that I probably won't use. Oh yes, we've got a test board. Right, hopefully that's locked in. So we've got some test points there. Standard little jumper leads. Yeah, so obviously in the program it tells you which ones to hook up, etc. Receive, transmit, RQ, grounds, 12 volts, 5 volts. Yeah, so there's a few nice connections there. Your volt control. So yeah, that's nice. Haven't had a chance to use that one yet. And in this one here we have, drum roll, aha, forgot that this came in it. If you watched my previous video, I had a CH341 chip programmer, EEPROM. This one here has it also. I presume it's auto voltage. I'm not quite sure if that's, I presume because it's for a car, it'll be software switched. Yes, I haven't used that one yet. So pin is usually closest to the lever, if I remember quickly, or is it the other side? Just trying to think here. Goes in there, pin goes, the little dot goes up that way, so yeah, pin's up to the left. So yeah, go pin 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 and 6. 8 pin obviously there, more pins further down, but it's usually EEPROM, anything up in this first bank, because there's a little divider in here, and the back bit there is EEPROM and chip programming, if I remember correctly. So that's what comes in there, and obviously, as I showed you before, reach down and grab it. We have, well, white on white isn't very good, is it? The DVD disc. Lots and lots of information here. We'll have a look at the program. I managed to get myself a basic screen capture, so I shall record it here on this as well. My big thumb in the way, so I'll record it here as well, and I'll do the screen capture. Right, back in a second.